Everyone. In this lecture, we are going to focus on the pipeline jobs. Pipeline jobs are very crucial into the working and very important as you are going to go into the Jenkins side. Nowadays, every project is related to and written down into the pipeline jobs. So basically, let's understand what is first pipeline. So in the pipeline job, the entire scripting that you have been done, it can be done in the form of a code based on the Jenkins pipeline DSL. What is Jenkins pipeline DSL? So Jenkins pipeline DSL is nothing domain specific language. So when we are working with the Jenkins, we have a particular domains working, particular language that has been developed especially for the Jenkins side. So pipelines, in short, you just need to know that it's the way of writing the code, entire automation in the form of a code. So you don't have to worry, it's a like typical code or so. It's a very easy to understand. It's basically very easy maintainable and formed, so anyone can learn without much prior knowledge required for the coding side. Moving towards the pipeline jobs are basically written down into the Jenkins file. The code is called it written down into the Jenkins file. So Jenkins files are of two types. One is of the imperative type, one is of the declarative type. So imperative type are basically, as you can see, are the scripted form, more it related to the scripting part, as it is based on the groovy side. All right, as it is more based on the scripting part and groovy side, so it can handle complex code, and you have fine granular approach. All right, so these are the basic motive of using the imperative job. The other section which is now majorly used is the declarative form. It's, as you can see, it has a much more simpler syntax, right? And it is easy to understand because it's written into YAML language. As it is written down into the simple form, it is easy to maintain. The main feature is it's easy to maintain and rectify its errors. So we are gonna majorly work on the declarative side because we are gonna make our process way much easier into the understanding, as both can handle every kind of task, every kind of work can be written down into the both imperative and declarative pipeline, Jenkins pipeline. So we are going to focus majorly on the declarative approach because we have a particular section of syntax generator that is available in Jenkins using the declarative approach. So we are going to focus majorly on the declarative pipeline. So in this Jenkins file, we are going to list all the features, all the components in a detailed form in the next lecture. Thanks.